Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a pumpkin and sweet potato soup. So I've got 2 bits of butternut pumpkin and I'm just going to start peeling them. One pumpkin is completely peeled. Don't worry, I'm not wasting any of the peel. I'm going to give that to my rabbit. So I've got 2 peeled pieces of pumpkin now. Now I'm going to peel some sweet potato. So I just chop off the ends because the ends are just really gross. And by the way, I'm peeling this with one hand and the camera's in the other hand. So I'm just gonna peel that and then I'll chop all the veggies up and then put them into the pot. Okay, now I'm gonna start chopping up the sweet potato and pumpkin. I want them to be the same size roughly because I don't want them one to overcook and one to be undercooked. That bit's kind of gross, so I'll just give that to my rabbit as well. It sounds mean that I'm giving my rabbit the gross bits, but my rabbit finds them quite nice. They're going to a good cause. There was just a little bit of skin on there, so I'll just peel that off with a knife. Don't mind the camera quality because it's just filmed on my iPhone 6. Oops, I dropped one. So I'm just gonna boil a kettle. Because it boils a lot quicker than just waiting for the pot to boil the water. Okay, I'll pour the water from the kettle into a hot pan. Okay, I'll just put all the sweet potato and pumpkin into the pot. Oh, and also I added a little bit of salt to the water to make the water a little bit more hot. Because salt decreases or increases the temperature of food. So now after 20 minutes of boiling, they're finally done. So I'm just going to scoop them out with this spoon strainer, and I'll leave them in a bowl to cool. Because with my blender, the things have to be cold before you put them in the blender. And also, it's better to cut them small, because the smaller you cut them, the quicker they take to cook. But also you can't cut them too small either, because they'll disintegrate into the water, because they'll cook too quickly. I'll just put this on my bench to rest, and I'll be back. So it's finally cooled down, and I'm just putting it into my NutriBullet. Now put the mixture of the sweet potato and pumpkin in the blender. Make sure everything is blended until smooth. I've just got that in on a low heat. And I'm just going to put the rest of this, because I can't get this out, I'm just going to add a little bit of plant-based milk into it. And blend that up again, and then use that as the liquid to loosen up the pumpkin soup. So I'm just adding some almond milk. I would usually use Bonsai soy milk, but I don't have any of that right now. So add as much as you would like to loosen up the soup. Put the lid on and give that one last whiz. Now add the mixture into the soup base. And mix that together. Add salt, pepper and other spices to your taste. I also added nutmeg. Now ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe.